Hey guys, Namaste. My name is Sunny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So the project that I'm making today for you guys is a glasshouse lamp. Yes, another lamp. If you have seen my videos before, you know I've made a lot of lamp projects. But hey, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I have a playlist just for lamps and there are many more projects as well. Do check them out. Now before we get into our today's project, I have a disclaimer to make. This project we need to work with glass sheet, and if you're planning to make this lamp, do make sure you take safety precautions. And now let's create. I'll begin this project with the base. I'm making it out of plaster. For that I had to make a mold, and I made these 4 components out of thick paper sheet and cardboard. The first one, it's a simple cutout out of thick paper sheet. I covered it with sellotape to make it waterproof. It's pretty simple, just the base and 4 sides. Now, if you know, the plaster expands, especially with this thin mold. So I made 4 walls for it out of cardboard. This will contain our mold and won't let it expand. Next, a desk. This one goes right in the middle of our project. It's a niche where the glass house sits. Then I have this tube, tiny tube, which helps transfer the wiring from the niche to the side where the plug would be for our LED strip. And this disc will sit right in the middle over the tube. So to complete this space, I poured plaster of Paris into a mold, set it to dry. Once it's dried, I took it out of the mold and I sand off all the rough edges to make it smooth, even the niche in the middle. And I spray painted this base with white color. Now I'll attach LED strip right in the middle and I'll attach a plug that comes out of the side. Next I'll make a couple of hearts. These hearts will go in the middle of the glass house above LED strip. Now these hearts are made out of acrylic sheet and I colored this acrylic sheet with glass color. Over here I have all the cutouts ready to make our hearts. Now I will glue them with PVA glue. The smaller heart goes in middle of the bigger one. I have also colored the sides of these hearts with same glass colors. And now to make the glass house, I have a plain, simple, thin glass sheet which I cut them 2 dimensions and I sand off all the edges and the corners with sandpaper. So I have the front and back of the house, the 2 sides and the roof and chimney. I also made sure the niche that I made on our base can contain this glass house. So I carefully measured the dimensions of our glass house and the niche. To glue all these glass sheets together, I used a silicone tube which was easily available where I live. It's the same silicone that we use to make aquarium. Application was pretty simple. It comes with a nozzle. So I applied silicone on edges of glass sheets, hold them at their place for a few seconds and let them dry for a few hours. So what I've learned is this excess silicone that is there on the glass sheet, it's way easier to remove when it's wet than it's completely dried, and it helps our process of cleaning this glass house in the end. And now all the elements of this glass house are complete. Let's talk about each one and assemble all of them. First, the base. I have attached LED strip right in the middle and I have attached a plug that goes right outside on the edge. I have also covered the niche part of this glass house base with white paper sheet and I made tiny holes for each LED bulb. And then the heart, the acrylic heart. They're completely dried. The bigger one contains the smaller one inside of it. And now for the glass house. This is how it looks once it is completely dried. Now I will set this acrylic heart in the middle of this glass house, and I'll place this glass house onto our base.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's project. I had so much fun making this lamp, and if you like this lamp, consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that like button and sharing this video with more creative heads, and do hit that bell icon to get notifications when I post my videos. And if you're feeling generous, you can follow me on Instagram as well at CreativeHeadHM. I'll see you soon. Do take care. Peace. Bye.